Friday, American Samoa recorded its first COVID-19 case of the pandemic when a traveler from Hawaii tested positive. This takes American Samoa off a dwindling list of countries that have managed to avoid the respiratory disease since the pandemic began. What do those countries that have managed to avoid COVID have in common? The vast majority of the places that have kept COVID-19 out are other island nations and territories. The Cook Islands, Nauru, Niue, Tokelau, St. Helena, the Federated States of Micronesia, Tonga, Tuvalu, the Pitcairn Islands, and Kiribati have all avoided the disease according to the World Health Organization. Many of these islands have been helped by strict COVID-19 protocols that have restricted outside travelers, as well as being small islands with relatively few visitors and small populations. The largest countries that haven't reported any COVID-19 cases to the WHO are North Korea and Turkmenistan, though both of those countries are suspected to have had COVID-19 cases that have gone unreported. But besides intentional government interference, there are other reasons countries may not have reported COVID cases. While it's possible these countries haven't detected any cases because there haven't been any COVID-19 infections, it's also possible some cases could have gone unreported due to inadequate testing or virus spread that went undetected. According to American Samoa's Department of Homeland Security, the infected person was a fully vaccinated traveler who tested positive while quarantining after arriving on the island. Officials report the traveler was asymptomatic. American Samoa Governor Lamanu Mauga, who the Associated Press reports was on the same flight as the COVID-infected traveler and is now in quarantine, said in a statement the positive case proved why the country's COVID mitigation protocols have been effective, saying it highlights, quote, the importance of maintaining our current quarantine protocols. For comparison, as of September 23rd, the United States recorded the most COVID-19 infections with more than 42 million cases. India and Brazil have the second and third highest case counts with more than 33.5 and 21.2 million cases respectively.